Welcome home, Disney Vacation Club members. In less than a week, the Villas at the Disneyland Hotel will open its doors, and we'd like to invite you to join us for the celebration. So save the date for Thursday, September 28th for a special virtual event. The Villas at the Disneyland Hotel will be our 16th Disney Vacation Club property and the second Disneyland Resort location our members can call home. And it's simply stunning. The brand new tower celebrates the timeless storytelling and remarkable legacy of Walt Disney Animation Studios. And it even highlights elements from the animation process that brings our beloved Disney stories to life. Disney Imagineer Ann Miller is on site to give you a sneak peek of what's to come.
Thanks, Phil. The entire team is so excited for the unveiling next week. As Disney Imagineers, we've taken inspiration from the animators' creative storytelling process. From sketches and concept art to story cells and color maps to design this beautiful new tower. The Villas at Disneyland Hotel features 344 accommodations, from duo studios for two to multi-level grand villas, all inspired by a variety of Disney animation films. The moment guests enter the tower, they're greeted with a mural created exclusively for the Villas at Disneyland Hotel by Disney animation artist Lorelei Bove. It was such a treat to collaborate with Lorelei on this beautiful mural, showcasing some favorite Disney animation films, and there are even a few hidden Mickeys, but I'll leave those for you to find. There's so much to discover at the Villas at Disneyland Hotel, and I cannot wait to see families walking through these doors for the first time.
Thanks, Ann. We are so excited to watch our newest resort come to life on the West Coast, and we know you are too. To share in that excitement, members from all around the world have been sending us their family photos, and these are going to be showcased on a gorgeous mosaic of the Sleeping Beauty Castle that will be on display during the opening weekend. We wouldn't be Disney Vacation Club without you, our valued members, so thank you for making this grand opening even more special. And speaking of which, don't forget to tune in for the live stream on Thursday, September 28th at 10:30 a.m. Pacific Time, as we officially welcome the Villas at the Disneyland Hotel to our family. Save the date and we'll see you then.